Well, hey guys, welcome back, my friends, once again to Jack's Tech Hut. So today we're going to be talking a little bit about setting up a test environment that you can use for penetration testing. So this is something I'm teaching in my classes right now, and I know I haven't released a video in a while, but that's because I've been producing videos for my students in my class for their tutoring sessions. For the weekends when they need a little bit more understanding of a certain or particular subject. It allows them to watch my videos of what we did that week and catch them up on what's going on. So what we're going to talk about today, though, is setting up that virtual environment. So the way we do this, so we don't want to allow this to touch our internal network. So we're using VirtualBox. Why do I use VirtualBox? Because, again, it's what I teach in class, so it's what I'm most familiar with, and it's what I show my students how to use. You can use any virtualization software you wish. It's totally up to you. So, as VirtualBox here, we have two machines running. We have our Kali Linux, which we're going to be using for penetration testing, or as they call it, pen testing, and ethical hacking to test network systems for, clients. But we use a test network like this so we can learn how to use the different tools that's in Kali Linux. Now what you want to do to set this up is you're going to go to first File, go to Tools, and I want to show you under Network Management. It's normally set on Host Only Networks, and it'll show you like a host network that's enabled for a DHCP server. But what we're going to be using here is our NAT networks. So the NAT network is set up on 10.0.2.0 network. Okay, it is enabled. I also set up a test DHCP up here that I could use. But I'm not using that today. We're going to be using the test network. Now with that enabled, when you go into your virtual machines, I want you to go to Settings. And I want you to go under Network. And then change Attach To and choose the NET network. Okay, the NAT network. NAT stands for Network Address Translation. And we're doing that through our virtual box system. Okay, so we're going to select that. So I already set that one up. On our Metasploitable. Now Metasploitable is a system we use for penetration testing because it is a Ubuntu server. Everything is fully open and fully usable. Okay, or fully attackable, let's say. And if we go into settings here, we're going to go back to network, and you can see where I have it also attached to my NAT network. Okay, so both of these are attached to the same NAT or same DHCP. Let's minimize this. So this is our Kali Linux box here running. And what we're going to do is we are going to show you that it's going to be able to ping our Metasploitable server. So I'm already logged in, so I'm going to do an IP address or IP add. We're going to see here that the network it's on is 10.2 or 10.0.2.5. All right, let me just release my mouse here. And we're going to go into Kali Linux. We're going to look at its IP address. Let me blow this up for you. Type in IP address again, or IP add. You're going to see here that this network is 10.0.2.4. Remembering that the other server running is 10.0.2.5. So we can ping that on our network, 10.0.2.5, and we can in fact ping that box. All right, good. Let's clear this out for you. And we're going to look at an nmap result here, nmap-a, and we're going to be pointed to the Metasploitable box. Because I wanted to show you this box and show you what I mean by everything being open. Okay, it shouldn't take all that long because it's on just a small little test network here. But it's actually scanning the Metasploitable box right now, looking for open ports, looking for any attacked vectors that we may have there. And as this is running, if you hit enter, it will show you the time remaining. All right. It says 0.2 seconds left scanning it. Okay, about 91.30% done. we should get a result back here pretty soon. Shouldn't take that long to scan that one box. Again, if you're scanning a full subnet or a full network, you will need some patience and time because it's going to take a while to run those. Okay, let's just wait until this finishes up here. The one thing you'll notice about Nmap is there's really no progress bar to show you what's going on. Okay, 95% done. Okay, so after the Nmap scan is done, you can see here with the Metasploitable server that we have all these ports open. 22, 23, 25. If you go down through here with that -A, it actually gives you the names of the software. Okay, what versions the software is running. You see here 53. It's got a ISC bind. Okay. RPC bind. 139 net BIOS. You get the idea. So it shows you everything in here that is possibly an attack surface that or a vector that you can actually attack. So it's pretty handy to have these. All right. Okay. So with that said, I'm going to let you go in this video and let you set up your test network. Again, these operating systems and the Metasploitable server are absolutely free. No cost to you whatsoever other than just downloading them. I do download the pre-packaged Kali Linux that's already a virtual machine for VirtualBox. Make sure you unzip it. Some of my students don't understand that. They just try to double click it and attach it. It will not run when it's compressed naturally. So you have to unzip it and then add it to your VirtualBox environment. Guys, if you found this video to be useful, please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. I would truly appreciate it. And we're going to just full screen this box out here. And close this. And thanks for watching. And until next time, keep practicing, keep studying, and more than anything, stay curious. I'll talk to you next time. Bye for now.